Alright, Master Ben has built a fire pit. Oh, come on, pumpkin, grow. Oh, it's getting chilly.
Look at it.
Oh. He's going to spit bloody sparks everywhere.
No, it won't. It's not hooked up to any matter or anything, so
Okay.
it's a novelty thing.
That's my old washing machine.
Yeah.
Front loader.
And your old Weber.
And my old Weber too. Wow.
Yeah. Those were my old brakes off my old car.
They're brakes.
Yeah, they were old disc brakes on your car.
Which car?
The Ute. The white one. And then that was just a, I don't know, spare fucking wheel floating around in the yard. So I thought, cut the tyre out, which was the hardest part of the whole job.
Yep.
But yeah, that pulled out. Because that's where all the ash is going to collect.
Yep.
All that comes off so you can empty the ash.
Ah. You're a clever man.
And there you go. So that's your base. Which, yeah, probably 20 kilos. They ain't going to be tipped with over anytime soon.
Yeah, and I'm not going to be carrying it around.
No, it's a wheel. See, this, it's a wheel.
Oh, okay. Go and put it back together again and do a spinny.
Well, I can't.
Why?
I can, but
No, just reassemble.
I'm going to try and line those holes up.
Oh, okay.
It'll be a little bit hard, but it's not hard.
Get it in the holes.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotta love it.
Just throw it back together again and let me go.
Wow. What do you think, JJ? Have you been digging? Oh, look at the colour of you. You've been digging. Sorry, cutting it off? Oh, okay.
So we don't have all of this. You only have from there up.
Yep.
And then that section here can go inside there.
And we can cook potatoes.
Wow, the wood's got somewhere to sit on and shit like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Can you hear the crickets?
Yeah.
The earth's cooling down here, love.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's the fire pit.
Back to cooking gnocchi.